Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, isosolve natin tong lab na SQL injection union attack retrieving data from other tables. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. Okay, so yun ulit, product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use union attack to retrieve data from other tables. No? So very important na kailangan gamitin natin ay union attack. To construct such attack, you need to combine some of the techniques you learned in previous labs, no? So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung mga ibang videos ko, please do so. And balikan nyo tong video na to. So, sabi, the database contains a different table called users. Okay? So, table natin ay users. Yun yung target natin na may column na username and password, no? So, ito na yung magiging target natin na columns. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all usernames and passwords and use the information to log in as the administrator user. Okay? So, let's load the lab. Okay? And alam natin na yung category filter ay nandito sa my refine your search. So, let's just go directly there. And there you go. Category equals pets. So, again, ang una natin na kailangang isipin kapag may SQL injection tayo is to think about kung ano yung SQL query na possible na binabato sa database. Okay? So, possible na it's select star from some table where category equals pets, no? So, yan yung lagi natin na nagiging example. So, susunod na kailangan natin gawin is to determine kung ilang columns ba yung return ng query natin. Okay? And natutunan natin in one of the previous videos na we can use union attack to do this, no? So, let's close pets and do union select null and then comment, no? So, tetestingin natin kung isang column lang ba yung return nung query ng SQL, no? So, let's copy and paste. Nag-error. So, probably, let's try kung dalawa. Let's do null. And let's copy and paste again. And there you go. So, meaning, we have two columns, no? Saktong-sakto. Two columns kasi, if you remember, we have two columns here, username and password column, no? So, now, we just need to do a union select attack, no? So, alam natin na may two columns. What we can do is to test muna kung yung columns ba na yon ay nagre-return ng string value or not, no? So, we can try A and B, no? So, pag gumana to, meaning yung re-return ng query natin ay string, no? So, let's try that. And gumana siya, no? So, A and B. And nakita natin dito na nag-reflect yung A and B natin. Okay? So, now, we just need to union select the username and password column. So, union select user name and password from users. And then, don't forget the comment. Okay? So, let's copy and paste this. And here. And there you go. Gumana yung payload. So, ang nangyari is, kinuha niya yung username and password columns and sinama niya sa SQL query na to. Okay? So, ngayon we have the administrator username and this password. And we also have Carlos password, no? So, we also have winner's password here, no? So, kailangan lang natin is administrator. So, let's do that. Let's go to my account and type administrator and paste the password. So, ayan, gumana na and we have solved the lab. So, sana naintindihan nyo tong lab na to and hope to see you in the next videos.